everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I am getting ready to go to the fitness studio. Yay! And oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited because I lost already 3 kilos. Can you believe it? Just that quick. Oh my goodness. Yes. So that's what happens when you're consistent and watching what you eat and going hardcore. Yes, 3 kilos. I was also shocked myself. I was like, no way. I don't think I've ever lost 3 kilos in a week. 3 kilos in a week. So who knows? Maybe the next 3 kilos will be in a month or so. We'll see. But however, I am ready to roll. Although the other day, I did go out to eat. Valentine's Day, I had to go out to eat. So who knows? I mean, I really tried to watch my weight or watch what I ate. So I didn't eat anything too fattening. Had some Syrian food from Syria. Delicious food. Have you guys ever been to a Syrian restaurant? Or have you all been to an Assyrian restaurant? If you haven't, you must. It's kind of on the same line as Arabic food, I would say. Absolutely delicious. Oh wow, nice salads, hummus. I think I'm pronouncing it right in English. In German is hummus. Chickpea, like a paste that you use on like pita bread. You can dip it. Oh, it is so delicious. It was a really nice restaurant. Yeah. Yeah, so went there and really dug in. So I know I was good and had a few glasses of wine. So, wine is not so good when you're trying to lose weight, unfortunately. You will, wine is full of calories. So, however, once in a blue moon, it's okay. Yeah, overall, I'm getting ready, putting my little bit of makeup on that I normally like to do when I'm getting ready to go to the fitness studio. I don't do too much. I just put a little bit of concealer, do the eyebrows. I can't be running around looking crazy, So I'm using right now, what is this? The Studio Finish Concealer. And what else is going on? Today is a very gray, ugly, rainy day. It's so Europe. Ugh. Although yesterday it was beautiful. Yesterday we had beautiful weather. Yesterday I did not go to the fitness studio. Oh, and by the way, this is day 9 for me. Day 9 for vlogging. And yesterday was really nice because the sun was shining. Oh, it was so pretty. And it warmed up a little bit, so really gave you the feeling, oh my gosh, spring is right around the corner. I've had enough of winter. I mean, winters over here are so dark. Winter can be nice if you, if it's snowing and, and the sun is shining. But here, and winter's here, it is gray most of the time. And it gets dark really early. It's dark like around 4 already. So that is sometimes hard. And if it's raining outside, oh my goodness. Oops, took a little bit too much. This is the MAC Strobe Cream. I put too I use too much, but it's alright, whatever. I feel like this week is flying. I mean, today, what is today? We have Wednesday already. It's already in the middle of the week. Oh my goodness. It just flies. The time is flying. However, I'm excited to go into the fitness studio. I feel like I really missed something yesterday. Oh my goodness. I spent almost 2 hours trying to figure out how to send my passport away. I gotta renew my passport, so I had to get a picture done. Passport pictures, I hate them. You know, back in the days, you used to be able to laugh, and not necessarily laugh, but you used to be able to smile, and now you gotta look all serious, and oh my goodness. I don't like passport pictures. At least not anymore. So, that was really complicated though, honestly. I mean, the instructions, they were so not clear. And then when you try to call in, forget it, you can't call in. Very complicated. For those who live abroad, you guys probably know what I'm talking about. I don't know, I'm curious to know if you had the same experience or is it just me? But however, I figured it out, but I don't know. You used to be able to go in and you know, just make an appointment and have your passport renewed. Now you got to send it away, which I don't feel too comfortable about sending it away. But however, so that took up most of my morning. So I wasn't able to go in the fitness studio. I had all my nice clothes on and I was ready to roll. And I was like, dog, the day just flew. So, and later on, yay, I will probably, yes, I will do it in this video. I'm going to do an opening. Yay! My little Valentine's gift. So I'm going to open that up later. I'm really excited about that. Oh, this is Prolong Wear Concealer from MAC. This is these are my go-to products, which I use daily. So, and of course I'm using my beauty blender to blend the makeup in. See, it looks nice. So excited. Yes, summertime. Oh my gosh, they had some really cute, oh my gosh, there's so many cute bathing suits and fitness outfits you can get. Oh wow. And some of those outfits are, especially the bathing swimsuits, they are so revealing, and it's like, oh my goodness, you definitely have to have one of those snap bodies, you know? So even more the reason to be in the fitness studio and to get your body into shape so you can get into those cute little outfits. Yes. So, anywho, guys, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I don't think I'm gonna walk today. I guess I'm going to drive because I do not want to drive in this awful gray weather. Oh, excuse me, I don't want to walk if it's raining. I don't like to walk to the fitness studio if it's raining. So I'm most likely gonna drive and do my thing, and yes, guys. So, however, I'm rambling now. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe. Yeah, what is going on? How are you guys doing? How's your fitness journey going on? Are you guys doing fitness? Do some fitness. Get your body into shape. It's such an amazing feeling. I don't know about you all, but I love to start my day off doing fitness. Really, I don't feel good if I'm doing in the afternoon or evening. Of course, I've done it before, but I just feel like, you know, back in the day, I used to, I mean, I didn't care which time of day I did fitness. I just did it, you know. But now it's like, I like to do it in the morning and I already have it, you know, done. And yeah, it's just a nice way to start the day off. So I'm curious to know how you all are doing on your fitness journey, or if you started the fitness journey, or you just looking at me and not doing fitness, but you should be doing fitness. So, anywho, guys, stick around. I will see you all in fitness studio, the one over